Kasi Vishwanath Temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to Shiva. It is located in Vishwanath Gali in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, India. The temple is a Hindu pilgrim site and is one of the 12 Jyotirlinga shrines. The Vishwanath temple housed a total of 5 mandapas. The lingam of Vishwanath was situated in the Garbhagriha. The remaining 4 mandapas, including Gnana Mandapa located to the east, the second one mandapa to the west, the Aishwarya Mandapa to the north, and the Mukti Mandapa to the south. Many legends tell of the true devotee achieving freedom from death by the worship of Shiva. Shiva devotees upon death being directly taken to his abode on Mount Kailash by his messengers and not to judgment by Yama. There is a popular belief that Shiva himself blows the mantra of salvation into the ears of people who die naturally at the Vishwanath temple. The Kasi Vishwanath temple is widely recognized as one of the most important places of worship in the Hindu religions because it holds the Jyotirlinga of Shiva Vishveshwara. A visit to the temple and both in the Gangas is one of many methods believed to lead one on a path to moksha. Thus, Hindus from all over the world try to visit the place at least once in their lifetime. The city has 84 ghats. Most of the ghats are bathing and puja ceremony ghats, while 2 ghats, Manikarnika and Harishchandra, are used exclusively as cremation sites. The Ganga Harati is held daily at dusk. Several priests perform this ritual by carrying deepam and moving it up and down in a rhythmic tune of bhajans. The Aarti begins at about 7 pm due to late sunsets, and in winter it starts at around 6 pm. According to several historical accounts, the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb ordered the demolition of the Hindu temple in 1669. 1678, the Gnanavapi Mosque was built, but Hindu pilgrims continued to visit the remains of the temples. The current structure was constructed by Ahilya Bai Holkar. The Kasi Vishwanath Temple Trust reported that 10 crore tourists had visited the temple since the inauguration of the corridor in December 2021. There are transportation options for getting to Benares by air, land and water. Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport is located roughly 22 kilometers. There are 2 railway stations in the city: Varanasi Cantonment Station and Kasi Railway Station. The city has 2 bus terminals, one located at the cantonment and another at Golconda.